G'day guys, alright Taz, today we're going to get rid of these black bars and the big 4-inch risers and replace them with some low risers and some mid-rise Z-bars just to give the bike a narrower look. These bars were just to get me out of a jam, make the bike rideable, give me the clearance I needed to sort of clear the tank. I always had a plan of putting narrow bars on, but with everything that was going on with supply chains and COVID, etc., it took a bit of time to get both items here. I'm not going to bore you with another how to install bars video. Just going to put it on time lapse and take them off, put them on, and get back to you.
G'day guys, just out road testing the Z bars that I put on Steve, my XV750 patinaed bobber, and I am really impressed. Never been a fan of 8 hangers, always had fairly flat bars on my bikes, but of late I've been messing around with these big rise bars and have been real impressed with them. These are 8-inch plus the 1-inch riser, 9-inch total, real narrow, lots of pullback, super comfortable. The bike still feels quite flickable. And narrow, feels like it wants to lean over a mile. Yeah, really happy with them. They're quite good quality. I was a little bit nervous about buying the risers off eBay. but they're quite good quality. They clamp down really tight. Look good, suits the bike. This bike has stock quite a long front end, and the bars just accentuate that, give it almost a chopper look. And keep my back fairly straight with the mid pegs. This is probably actually the most comfortable modified bike I've got. I played around with a couple of different mirrors I had in the shed, and I put the bar end mirrors back on just for something different. Good, solid, don't vibrate. Just suit the style of the bike in my opinion. Master cylinder gets in the way of the tacho a little bit. I can still see it. You might not be able to see it on camera because the GoPro sticks off the side of the helmet, or you might be able to, but I can certainly still see it. But much more importantly, I can see the speedometer. I don't really use the tacho on this bike anyway. It's not a performance bike by any stretch. Put another master cylinder on, something a little less bulky. Got a couple of ideas, but it'll take me a little bit to find them, and then it'll take me a little bit for them to arrive. Roadworks everywhere. Bike tracks really nicely. Feels solid, doesn't want to wander, doesn't get the shakes. Guys, I'm just going to pull in to Wet Cave Reserve campground, picnic area, have a drink, enjoy being out and about on my bike. Get my jet boil. Guys, just going to enjoy the coffee that I made. Granted, it's a sachet, but it's still not bad, particularly because of the location. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name's Alright Taz. Till I see you next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, look me up and support the channel on buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz so that you can keep putting caffeine in my system. Tread on my tyres, support the videos that I make, guys. Till I see you next time, I'm out.